like, oh my god, everybody has it now that I want it.
I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know where the reasons why we both can't play here.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl B and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope you become a subscriber to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, gang. We're gonna jump right into today's video. So yeah, I'm officially 1 year. Well, it's actually like 1 year and a week now, but officially locked. Like, it's been a year since I've had my Microloc'ds, and yeah, we're gonna get into how I feel, what it's been like, what I love, what I hate, things that are still an issue for me, things that I've gotten over, things that I love, and just like what this journey has been like. So let's jump right into it. Firstly, if you want to know the background of when I got my locks, how I felt, why I got my locks, go ahead and watch the video up here on the screen. That'll give you the full background on what made me do it, how I found the woman who I went to, and just, you know, all the beginning details. So where I am currently, y'all, my hair has grown significantly. It has filled out so much and I'm just loving it. So if you've seen a clip, I washed my hair last night and then I did a quick braid out and I took it out this morning. Hey y'all, so I just washed my hair and I just wanted to show you. So this is what my hair looks like freshly washed, and as y'all can see, when she's washed, she shrinks so much. She looks super full, super clean. This is what she looks like freshly washed. Yeah, it's super shrunken, but I'm about to do a quick braid out and then I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. Once it's like completely dried and it's been a long day. I took it out around like 5:30, 5:45 this morning, and it is now 7 p.m. and this is what it looks like. So the curls are popping. The curls is so cute. And this is basically how I wear my hair most of the time. A lot of the times it does shrink though, because I'll just put water in it. I won't braid it out and then it'll like be tight. And then I'll complain, oh my gosh, there's so much shrinkage. Forgetting that, girl, you gotta braid it out to, you know, to lengthen it up a little bit. So this is how it looks. If I put a video of what it looked like day one versus what it looks like now, you guys, one of the things that I was always going back and forth was like, oh my gosh, they're not thick enough. They're too small, they're too small. Do I want to combine them? I should combine them. Oh my gosh, they're so thin. They're not gonna get full. Yeah, no, they do. They do, and they're still getting thicker. Like, my locks aren't fully locked yet, but they're getting there. And the more they lock, the thicker the individual locks become, the fuller my hair looks. Like, in one of my earlier videos, I would put my hand like behind my hair and you could see straight through my hair to my palm. Whereas like now it's definitely darker. You could barely see anything. So I love that. I don't really stretch it because, yeah, I felt like that's something I did with like my natural hair when I would get like silk presses. But now like this to me is my length. If I have to stretch it, it's not really my length. But I love it, you guys. I still haven't counted how many locks I have. Part of me wants to, and part of me is just like, girl, you don't need to. So we're still deciding. I know I said that I would do it after my 1 year anniversary, but I'm just not feeling to do it just yet, because I don't want that to get in my mind like, oh my gosh, I have more than 300, more than 350, and I need to combine them. Like, no, I want to kind of enjoy this stage of it, and then if I get to a place where I'm fully locked and I don't think it's as full or the locks aren't as thick as I want it, then I'll combine them. Because at the end of the day, I could combine them at any time, but once I combine them, I can't make them smaller. So I kind of just want to enjoy it for a while. What is my retie schedule currently? I try to keep it on a 6-week basis, but now I'm trying to stretch it to like 8 weeks. I think this will be the longest period I've gone without getting a retie. I got it retied on August 5th. I got it retied that first Saturday in August. I'm not gonna get it retied again until the last Saturday in September. So yeah, that's gonna be a little minute because that's like 3-4 weeks away. But these are what my roots are looking like, and they're not that bad. Oh, they are. Yeah, they are, but whatever, it's okay. It's okay. She was booked up, and I booked 3 hours, so she should have more than enough time, hopefully. And it's mostly the front. Yeah, let's let's hope it's not a problem. But that's all they had available, so I was like, it is what it is. But that is what, that's about 7 weeks. So yeah, it's only 8 weeks, so that's 2 weeks over the 6 weeks period. So I should be fine, right? We're gonna see how that goes once we get to that 7-8 week mark, and how she says it is, because I don't mind stretching out the time in between reties, and then scheduling an extra hour just so she can complete it, because I don't know, I kind of like the growing out roots look. I'm also having thinning in the back. Like 2 of my locks fell out. 2 of the locks fell out, and I have like a thinning section in the back of my head, so I'm like, okay, maybe I don't need it to be touched as often. So we'll see. Just to dive in a little bit deeper when it comes to like the locks that fell out in the back, I think it was too much tension. I used to wear a bonnet to sleep, and the thing about me, the bonnets, I don't like to cover my ears with bonnets. So it's like it will be over my ear, and that will cause it to be a little bit higher in the back, and I think that caused tension and friction and loosen and weaken the locks back there. So I just stopped sleeping with bonnets. Like I have silk or satin pillows, so I'm perfectly fine in that. I had cotton sheets, but the lint would get in my hair, so I was like, that's not gonna help. So I swapped out for satin sheets, which I love. I took a break from, but they're back, and I don't get as much lint in my hair, and then also I don't have to worry about putting on a satin bonnet. So I'm happy about that. Like I said, in terms of styling, I don't do anything crazy. Like I'll literally just braid it out and wear it like this. I want to try more styles, but I'm lazy. I'm too lazy to attempt to do it, and then it doesn't come out good, and then I gotta be where I need to be. So I just kind of stick to this, and the most I'll do is like switch the part. So instead of a middle, I'll do a side part. And then there's a few times where I'll just do like a pony to the back, or a high pony. Normally like I'm going to the gym or something, or I'll do half up, half down, but I don't do like a twist and braids and those cute funky styles the girls be doing, mostly because I still don't have no edges. So that's mostly why, but also because, yeah, like I said, I'm just super lazy, and I think it looks cute when I braid it out. Why change it? So yeah, I don't do too much in terms of that, but I'm gonna try. I'm really gonna try and play around with it in the next couple of months, because it's getting thicker, and I think that's part of the fun. That's the main reason why I wanted Microloc'd, is so that I could be versatile in styles and play around with different things. So I'm gonna do that. Also, I do want to try to do like Havana twist or goddess twist on my hair, just to switch it up completely, and your girl kind of misses braids. So I've seen like a few girls on YouTube do it with Microloc'd, so I said I would try it. I'm gonna wait till my hair gets a little bit stronger in that section I showed you, and then I'll play around with that. Do I want to add color? Right now, no. Black is beautiful. And then maybe around spring, if I'm officially locked, I'll like do the tips. Like, cause I was thinking about it would be cute to dye the tips for the fall, but no, my hair's not strong enough just yet. So maybe in the spring I'll do like a cute little blonde tip, or a patch maybe even. Well, we'll see how we feel come April, and play with that, and also see where the length is. Like, y'all, I feel like I've been trying to make it to the 1 year milestone for the longest, and now that I'm here, I'm like, I don't know what to look forward to anymore. But it's gonna be a long journey. I love seeing the girls who are like down to the bra, and it took them like 3 years, 4 years. So I'm like, 2-3 years to go. But I definitely love it. Yeah, I definitely love it. I can't stop playing with it. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's how I feel in terms of coloring. Maybe in the spring, but not in a rush to. I'm enjoying the classic look of black here. Okay, so what's what I put in my hair? Nothing. I literally shampoo it, and that is it. To revive it every couple of days, I'll just spray it with some water and call it a day. My loctician told me not to put any oil in it, so I've been listening to that. She actually told me I could put oil in it now, but like a, I don't know what you call it, but not like a heavy grease, something that's light and doesn't weigh down my scalp or my locks. And then she also said to do it closer to when I'm going to wash my hair, so it doesn't, so the pores in my scalp don't get clogged, you know, and cause buildup and stuff like that. And I use a tea tree shampoo, so it gives me a good little tingle in my scalp. I try to wash my hair like every 3 weeks. I don't know if that's disgusting or not, but yeah, 3 weeks is like the average. 3 to 4 weeks, if I'm being honest, is how often I wash my hair. Every time I wash my hair, the ones in the front loosen. Like, I washed my hair yesterday, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but this one here unraveled. So yeah, I'm not trying to wash my hair every week or every 2 weeks because I'm still dealing with parts of my hair or areas of my hair that haven't locked and are easily unraveling, and I don't want to deal with that. So I'm hoping I addressed enough things you would want to know in a 1 year update, and I'm now going to include just a little montage of my 1 year transformation. If you are thinking about locking your hair, I would definitely say do it. If you don't love it, you can always start over, but honestly, once you start and you get past the awkward phase, it's all uphill. It's a beautiful journey. And the one thing I will say is that once you embark on this journey, you will start to see so many other women who are also starting the journey, but also women who've been on their lock journey for years and years and years. And it might seem like, oh my gosh, everyone has locks, but it's just with anything else. When you see something that you desire and that you want and that you like, you're more aware of those things when you're in close proximity to it. Let that be something that also motivates you. Don't be one of those people who's like, oh my God, everybody has it now that I want it. Like, no, girl. They've been having it. It's just that now you see that they're getting it. But you also know there's a large community, and it's something that you could kind of use as an icebreaker to get to know other people. Because yeah, we love locks on this side. I'll be like, girl, your locks look good. Like, the amount of times, I'm ranting, I know I always do this, but the amount of times that I'm like on the train, or like I'm just walking through an area in a restaurant, anywhere really, and someone else has locks, you kind of do this little look, and it's like, I see you. So I just think that if you're thinking about getting locks and you're like really into it, and the only thing that is stopping you is the awkward stage, or being afraid that you won't have the versatility that you want, just do it. I mean, the pros is that if you hate the awkward stage so much that you don't want to show your hair through it, you can either get the extensions that a lot of locticians do offer, or you could just braid it down and throw in a wig. I know several people who have traditional locks, and they were wearing a wig for like the whole first year or 2 years. So yeah, like, you have options, but definitely just start it, because the longer you wait, when you finally get it, you're gonna be like, oh, I should have got it when I wanted to. My hair would have been so much longer. My hair would have matured by now. It would have looked so good by now. I could have been styling it however I wanted to. So like, just do it, like Nike says. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you'll love it. I'll have more videos like this. What I will do is create a video where I will, you know, play with styles, and I'll show it to you guys. And then also, let me know down in the comments if you want to see me do a lock count. Again, I'm not ready to do it, but if, you know, enough of you guys are interested in seeing it, then I'll do it. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
'Cause all I wanna do is lie.